Hello friends, welcome to the pharmawalk channel. Please like, share and subscribe to understand the pharmacy concept. Today we'll understand the organ or the system which called CVS, cardiovascular system, the system which is made up of heart and the blood vessel. So today we'll understand about the organ which is working for 24 into 7, that's called heart. It's like a pumping organ of our body. The main function of heart is to pump the blood to meet the requirement of entire body, right? And the location, it is located in the middle of chest cavity, slightly towards the left side. And if we talk about the size of the heart, it's equal to the size of fist. So that's about the basic information related to the heart. Now let's understand the anatomy part, the structure of the heart. So if we divide this diagram into the four parts like this, okay. So let's put it like this. That first anatomy that we are going to discuss is chambers. So you can see over here we have divided the heart into the four parts. चार अलग parts में divide कर रखा है. And the blue part we consider right side of the heart, and the left we consider the red part as the left side of the heart. Now why there is bifurcation blue and red? So blue color indicate the deoxygenated blood, that means it contains the carbon dioxide, and the red color indicate the oxygenated blood, means the blood containing oxygen. So remember one thing, the right side of the heart always carry deoxygenated blood and the left side of the heart always carry oxygenated blood. So basically we have divided heart into the four chambers, four rooms. The upper chambers known as the atrium. So if we see this first one, it is located at the right side and it is upper chambers. It's known as the right atrium. Like this, it's called left atrium. So upper chambers consider as atrium. Lower chambers, so नीचे के chambers है या rooms है, that's called as ventricle. इसको ventricles बोला जाता है. Upper chambers atrium, lower chambers ventricles. So again the same thing, this portion known as the right ventricle because it is located at the right side and the lower side. So right ventricle. And that red color portion which is located at the lower side and the left side known as the left ventricle. So heart has the four chambers, atrium to atrium, right atrium, left atrium, ventricles, right ventricles and left ventricles. What is the function of this chamber? It is made up of muscles and that is responsible for contraction and the relaxation. So that's the first category that comes into the structure of the heart, chambers, four chambers. So we have four rooms in the heart. Apart from the rooms, we require doors, right? So there are valves are also there in the heart. In the previous section, we have discussed there are four rooms. So valves also four. There are four valves and that's considered as a gate or we can consider as a door. So there are four gates or four valves are there in the heart. Now what is the role of that valve? Even though there are different types of valves are there, the function is same. It allows unidirectional flow of blood only one way. It prevents the backflow or the reverse flow of the blood. Only the one direction flow it allows. So which are the four types of valves are there? So first one, that is tricuspid valve, which is located between right atrium and the right ventricle. So how it's working? So when the blood comes into the right atrium, this valve gets open like a door, like a gate. And once all the blood, entire blood comes into the ventricle, the valve gets closed. So it prevents the reverse flow. It allows only unidirectional flow of blood. So that's the one tricuspid valve. Second, bicuspid or it's also called mitral valve, located between the left atrium and left ventricle. Same function, unidirectional flow of blood. And third, it's a pulmonary valve, which is located between right ventricle and pulmonary artery. What is the role of pulmonary artery and all these things we'll cover when we discuss about the blood circulation. in the upcoming video. Fourth, aortic valve, that is located between the left ventricle and the aorta, which is the biggest artery of our body, which supply oxygenated blood to the entire body. So four chambers and four valves: tricuspid, bicuspid, pulmonary, and the aortic valve. Now, heart is very vital organ of our body, very important organ of our body, which supply blood to the or pump the blood to the every part of our body. But for the proper functioning, heart also require nutrient, heart also require oxygen, heart also require blood. So, which artery supply blood to the heart? And the name of that artery is coronary artery. This is the artery which supply oxygen, nutrient and blood with the help of blood to the heart. So remember one thing, coronary word always related to the heart. Whenever you see the word coronary, that means something related to the heart. So four chambers, four valves, coronary artery. Now last, that is a conduction system of the heart. Heart beating is very much important. So heart has the electrical signal, or we can say conduction system, which is responsible for beating of the heart. In next video, we'll discuss about in detail how the signal generation and the passage of signal happens within the heart. But as of now, just remember, just understand, conduction system of the heart means it's a group of cells that generate electrical signal or impulse that makes heart beating. There are two types of cell, conducting cells which carry the signals, and based on the signals, the muscles are there which is responsible for contraction. And the main function is that this conduction system makes heart beating. It generates the rhythm of the heart, it generates the heartbeat. So main four part or category we have discussed in the structure: four chambers, four valves, the coronary artery, and the function of conduction system. In next video, we'll discuss about conduction system in detail. Thank you so much. I hope you have understood the basic anatomy of the heart. Please like, share and subscribe to the pharmawalk channel for more interesting and simple videos related to the pharmacy concept.